Hey guys, it's pretty late out now actually. I just wanted this to be known. My YouTube channel, this is probably my second video. But I actually have a story I wish to share with you guys about how Walmart not only sucked for using child labor, but they actually. So here's exactly what happened. So I go in to buy a JVC subscriber or sponsor, copyright, but they get the credit. But no, so I go in to get a camera, and it says 165 or 60, yeah, 65. So I go in and I'm going to buy it, and I go there, and I'm ready to buy this camera, and they get the camera out, they find the battery, it's a display model, it's kind of beaten up and crappy or cruddy, but, so, I go there, and I'm ready to buy this, and I'm getting this camera, and I'm so pumped up, and all of a sudden, the manager comes out and says, oh, well, we're sorry, but, this is actually $300. It's like, wait, but, no, the sign says that, it's attached to a tether, right in front of the sign, it says JVV, well, it's like, I'm sorry, but we had the wrong sign up, it's like, okay, so signs get switched and shifted around like this. She showed us how you just, like, drag it. It's like, wait a minute, but the $300 sign wasn't up there. And I'm just like, my dad's getting ticked, by the way. So I'm just like, he's like, so you want us to buy this piece of crap camera for $300? She's like, well, I can give you 10% off because it's a store display model, and I can give you like, freaking. Sorry, it's getting foggy for some reason. Okay, better. But, and so she's like, oh, I can give you 5% off, or extra 5, so 15% off in total, because we made a mistake. It's like, you made an epic mistake. That's false advertising. We can sue you. And she's like, well, I'm sorry, but we're so weird that we're not going to do that for you. It's like, fine. So we screamed at her, and, well, she screamed at us too, so we left, went to Best Buy for $4 more, for, like, the price that we were supposed to be. $4 more. We got the better camera, a new, out-of-the-box, full HD, and, of course, a light, so we can talk to you in the dark. It's, yeah, I don't understand it. Please, if you like me, please just do it. By the way, her name is, like, Marie, or, I don't know, she's short, fat, black hair. God, stop! Sorry, I just have to do that sometimes. It gets, yeah, sometimes it happens, but it's okay. It's, so please subscribe. Check out Dinosaur, one of my friends. He's actually in the back editing. So, I'll actually see you later, and adios.